Item list filters narrow down the items that would normally appear in an item list to just those that match specific criteria. To add a new filter, tap or click the Filter button below the item list to bring up the item list options, then select New Filter. Give the filter a name. By default, this new filter includes a single rule to only show an item if it has no receipt. Tap on this rule to change it to something else. For rule type, you can select which type of rule applies, such as whether or not an item has data for a particular field. The option is driven by the rule type. For example, in the case of field is not empty, you can choose one of the available item fields for option. Choosing price would create a rule to show items where the price field is not empty. Click or tap the plus button to add another rule. If you have any custom fields of type option list defined, you can select a rule type of list field has value or list field does not have value. Select the field for option, and then select the value that field should or should not have to match the rule. Tap or click the Add button to create the filter. The check mark next to the newly created filter indicates it is active. Tap or click the Close button in the Item List Options panel to view the filtered item list. By default, an item must match all the filter's rules to appear in the item list when the filter is active. If the Match All Rules option is not enabled for your filter, an item will appear if it matches any of the filter's rules. To edit or delete an existing filter, open the item list options and tap and hold or right-click on the filter and select Edit or Delete. You can switch to a different filter by tapping or clicking on it, or select None to turn off filtering for the item list.